Hey YouTube, so since we're gonna change out the oil and do a transmission flush, I also picked up this Skunk2 magnetic drain plug set. I already cut it open, but if you're getting it new, there should be a seal that's kind of on tight, but when you open the box, it's gonna come with the owner's kit, and then you'll pull out this top and you'll see the two magnetic drains here. The longer one is the oil, the shorter one is the transmission, and they come with two crush washers already supplied, factory sealed, so they shouldn't be open. We have this cool Skunk2 racing sticker, and last but not least, there's the owner's kit, which I don't really know what's inside of it. It looks like it's just an envelope, but let's take a look there. We have a card of authenticity. So this is the magnetic drain plug, product description, genuine parts card. I guess it's just a proof of purchase. Then we also have the, product catalog and just kind of a gallery of kind of what all the Skunk2 parts do. But for the most part, as we do the transmission flush and oil change, what you see here, I'm just gonna swap out these plugs from the OEM, probably use the Skunk2 crush washer, and kind of leave this kind of Honda crush washer for another time.